Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on Verasity. While moving inside this down channel recently, the price line of Verasity has tested a very long-term support zone. That starts from $0.00238 and goes to $0.0021. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been breaking at a very strong support zone here and support zone here. And even before that, here it had been breaking as a very strong support zone in the month of December 2022, before the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Therefore, now again, we have tested this support down. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we had a long spike beyond this support down, the price and geared up, and still it is getting accumulated above this support down. And also tested the support of this down channel as well. You can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this bigger down channel and a very huge breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. This is the wedge, by the way. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup or secret coin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Veracity. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this down channel. By the way, we entered the channel here on 25th of November 2024. We had a bounce here, rejection, so many rejections here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce, rejection, bounce, and recently the pricing is now again getting bounced from the support of the channel. At the same time, it is also getting bounced from this long-term support zone. That's out from $0.00238 and goes to $0.0021. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, it is breaking at a very strong support zone, like here in the month of November 2024, and here from the month of August to the month of September 2024. And before that, it was also breaking at a very strong support zone here in the month of December 2022 as well, when it was about to break the previous falling wedge pattern, a very huge falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, this time it can again break at a very strong support zone. By the way, this time if the price then will be geared up from this support zone, then we may see another very strong resistance, this downtrend and resistance that was previously breaking as support. If we move more back here, then you can see that for several days or weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance here. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and now after the breakdown, it can be flipped into a resistance once again. Right now, the price is gearing up from this very big demand zone. And this time, if the price then will hit the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $0.0035. It has been recently breaking as a support here for several days or weeks, and before that, it was breaking as a resistance here, and now again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. By the way, once it will be able to break out this channel, then technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $0.008. And if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, that target will be here at the top of the channel at 1.56 cents. And slightly higher than this target, we will have another very long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. If you take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.7 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong support here and almost here as a resistance as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.